Hi, this is our OPT pharmacy management software, and this is the dashboard of the software where we can see the total patient for today, total earning due amount, and there is option for graph. So we can analyze the our collection through graph. There is option for a date, so we can find from any date to any date. Now we comes to software features. The software features will be patient management, doctors management, OPD, medicine, billing, reports, and utilities. In patient management, this is a patient register book where we can see the total or registered patient list. And these are the parameters. So we can use the anyone to find the old patient through any date to any date, or through UHID, through contact number, through patient name, and we can use anyone to find the old patient list. After then we can see the complete history of patient. We can directly go for OPD booking, billing, and sales medicines. There is also option for advanced search. So these are some additional fields. We can use these fields for search the old patient. There is a list. We can download the all the data in Excel format, CSV, PDF. If we have already any old patient data list in Excel sheet, then we can upload all the old patient data in the software. We need to download a sample Excel sheet. We need to put all the data, then we can import. Now we comes to doctors. In doctors, here we will register all the doctor masters. Like we will put here doctor name, specialization we'll select here. If anyone is not available, then we can add from here. Contact number, sharing button, like we are providing any minimal mutual benefit to doctors, then we can put here. Like how much we are providing in OPD procedure billing or pharmacy. So there are two options, one for currency, fixed currency, second is in percentage. So we can use anyone. Then we can put here consulting charge, emergency charge, available days. So these are the basic, and there are more options. So we can put all the details, but all are optionals, like qualification, anniversary, address, alternate contact number, registration number. So we can put here all the details. After registration, we can see here all the registered doctor list. We can modify anytime in this information, but this depends on user permission, which user can edit or not. Then we comes to OPD. In OPD, the OPD there is a masters. We will create the masters for prescription purpose, like previous history, chip complaints, examination, diagnosis, investigation. And we can put consult medicine, previous history, personal history. We can download the digital signature of doctors. We can create the prescription template. Now there is settings, so we can say change here, print setting, like we will put your details, logo we can update here, prescription setting. These are the this is for prescription page. Then after masters, there is option for particulars. We can settings. Then OPD validity setting we can put here. OPD validity date like 5 days, 10 days. Token setting, we are generating a token number for all booking. Like we can change here, like we want a token number with the hospital wise, doctor wise, or a specialization wise. Then there are two options for booking. One for appointment booking, second is OPD booking. Like any patient is calls to our OPD or our hospital for appointment booking, then we will go through appointment booking. We will put here all the we will start from patient name. We will put here like patient name, contact number, gender, age. Specialization will select for which way specialization, like physician, surgeon, gynec, for which doctor, we will select so this is basic details. Now there is more options, like we can select how patient is coming, like source from, how patient is coming to our hospital, disease, referred by. After that we will select here appointment date or time, then submit. After submission we will get appointment booking list. Here we can see the total appointment booking list, and these are the parameters to filter we can use through anyone. In appointment booking list there is option for confirm and edit, so we can edit the appointment and we can reschedule the appointment. And there is option for confirm, like same patient when comes to our hospital or reception, then we will confirm the appointment. This is a review for confirmation, like date, time, payment mode. We will select a total amount and then submit. After submission we will get a receipt. This is the receipt of OPD booking, and here will be complete hospital detail with logo and all the details. Then there is second option, OPD booking. Like any patient directly comes to our hospital or reception, then we will go through OPD booking. Process will be same, like we will put a patient name, contact number, age, we'll select a doctor name. Here is also generating a token number. So this is for new patient. There is another option for registered patient. If patient is already registered in a hospital, then we can go through registered patient. We can use the parameters to find, and here we can go through, we can directly go for OPD booking. Patient details will automatically comes in data. Then there will be show vitals, payment review, then we can submit. This is the receipt. After OPD booking there is option for OPD booking list. Here we can see the total OPD booking list for today. We can find from any date to any date. Booking for normal patient, emergency patient, we can find. After booking there is three options: edit, print and more. In edit we can edit these details anytime. We can print receipt anytime. And for editing, this is basically depends on user permission. So which user can access, which user can modify or not. In more option there are add prescription, blank prescription, like doctor want to write prescription, manual prescription, then we can generate a letterhead with patient detail, and doctor can use this letterhead for prescription purpose. And then second option is add prescription. In add prescription, this is our prescription format, so doctor can write the prescription through our software, like we will put in previous history, we can write. Also we can directly select from masters, because we have already discussed there is option for masters, we can create all the masters. Then this all masters will be come here. In personal history we will write or we will select from masters. Chip complaints will write or select from masters. Examination, diagnosis, there are multiple masters available in software. Suggestion, remarks, appointment. Then there is option for vitals. We can also put here vitals. Template, we can select the templates for any disease. Then all the things will be filled automatic, and we can modify in templates. Then there is also option history. So like patient is already registered, we have already given the prescription in a few days ago or anytime, then we can go through history and we can see anytime the last prescription, last out all prescription details we can see. Then we can also go for next. Then there is option for save. This is the prescription format: previous history, personal, chip compliance, examinations. And now there are options: view prescription, we can view anytime, print prescription, upload, like we want to keep any medical records of any patient like investigation, prescription, then we can scan and upload the file and we can view anytime. Edit prescription is here. We can also edit the prescription in time. This all fields are like previous, personal, these all fields are editable. So we can keep the fields name as per our requirement, and we can also change the sequence. After prescription there is option for OPD billing. Like after treatment we are charging for any procedures, then uh, we can go through OPD billing. We will select a patient. There is also option for new patient. For which procedure we are charging, we will select a service type like ECG, injection, dressing, multiple. And we can also create here the masters. We can create here the masters like procedure name and charge, how much we are charging, charge is editable, and then we can submit. So these are basic fields. We can also use like referred by, disease, specialization, panel type, like any procedure. TB patient is coming to our hospital, then we can select a policy name, plan type, policy number, TP ID, then we can submit. This is the receipt for procedure billing. After that we have option for OPD billing list. We can see here the total billing for today, billing list. We can also find from date to date and receipt number through contact number, and there is also option for advanced search. So we can find through anyone. Then we have option token display and token status. Here we are generating a token number for all patient, and token number will be show on screen display screen with token number, patient name, doctor name, status, what is the status of patient, and status. There is token status, so we can change the status of patient. Like we can move to default, waiting, process, done, emergency. So like I'm selecting default, then this same status like default, waiting will be shown display. Then there is option for print setting. We can select our printer type like laser, thermal, dot matrix, print paper type. We can select we can put our hospital name, address, contact number. We can change your logo, and we have already done the standard things. And now there is some standard some shortcuts. Like I want also want validity date on receipt, then we need to copy and we can put here. Then next time it will automatically come on receipt. So this is the OPD. Now we comes to medicine. In medicine there are some answers like you need a rack number. We can create a manufacturer company. We can add medicine type, medicine entry. We will enter all the medicine first. Like this is the master, like medicine name, unit, like tablet, capsule, conversion like 10, 15, like 10 tablets or 15 tablets available in a single strip. Packing like 200 mg, 300 mg. We'll put MRP. We can put CGST, SGST, and IGST. Barcode we can put a value. Then we will get notification for the minimum stock. for minimum stock. Rack number, manufacturer company, we can select HSN number, purchase rate. So we will put all the details. We will enter all the medicine name here, medicine entry here. There is a second option. So we can download a simple Excel sheet. We will put all the medicine details in this format. Then we can upload the Excel in software. We can upload the opening stock in our software. There is option for import. We need to select only file, then we can upload. After that, we have option for purchase. There is also option for vendor. We can add our vendor details from here. Like vendor name, vendor GST number, type, contact number, and all details. There is an option for opening stock. We can add here. We can download here all the our opening stock, and we can also import through Excel sheet. Now there is option for purchase. For any medicines we are purchasing from any vendors, then we can go through purchase medicines. We will put invoice number, vendor name, contact number. If vendor is registered already, then we can select from here which medicine we are purchasing. We'll select a medicine. All the things will be come from masters. We will put your HSN number, batch number, manufacture date, expiry date, unit, how much we are purchasing, like 10 strip, 15, 20. Unit to, like we are purchasing 15 strip and 5 tablets. Then we can put here free unit, how much vendor is giving in free unit to MRP, and the GST, all things will with come from masters. Then we can also modify the rates. After that, there is option for payment review. We can select a payment code, discount, and all the things. Then submit. After submission, we will get a purchase list, medicine purchase list. This is the format. This is the format for medicine purchase. We can also edit or see the any details. Then there is option for purchase the return. Due to any reason, like we want to refund any medicine to any vendor, then we can go through same process. We'll select a vendor details, which medicine we are refunding, and how much we are refunding, how much we are returning here. We'll put a quantity. Then there will be payment review. After that, we will get a purchase return list. There will be purchase return list. After that, we have option for sales. Like we are selling any medicine to any patients, then we can go through sales medicine. There are more options. For new patient, we will put here patient details like patient name and contact number, gender. For registered patient, we will select patient details, registered patient. And there is another option, patient, OPD patient, like doctor has already given the prescription in OPD, then medicine name will become here automatic from OPD prescription. Then there will be list of medicine list. We need to only put here quantity, how much we are giving. Like I'm putting here any patient name, which medicine we are selling. We can sell multiple medicine at the same time. how much we are selling. There will be automatic, all the things will be come from masters. We'll select there is payment review. Then we have option to save. We can save here, referred by. We will select here, then save. So this is the format. This is the format. Here we can see the total. There will be all the details. There will be all the like quantity, purchase rate, HSN number, expiry, and this is the format we can modify here according to our requirement. Then there is option for sales return. Like any patient is returning any medicine to our store, then we can go through same process. We will select a patient, which patient is refunding, and there is option for sales return. Process will be same. We will select a medicine, which medicines are returning, and how much. We will put here quantity, how much they are returning. Then there is payment review, then submit, and this is the format for sales return. After that we have option for stock. Here we can see the our total stock for store. There will be all the details like name, company name, packing, batch number, barcode. We are also we have already barcode system in software in pharmacy and also for OPD, so we can use it. And there is quantity, how much is available in our stock, expiry, rack number, minimum MRP, and there is option for history. So we want to see any history of any medicines, then we can see here like purchase history, purchase return, sales return, and branch allotment. After that we have options some print setting, like we can change a receipt or details of like when we want for sales, we can select our printer type, size of paper, and we will put here all the details. So this is basically print setting. We are giving, we also give the this permission to users can access this page. Medicine, there is option for medicine GST report. We want to see here GST report for 1 month, 1 day, or any day to any date, or any, for any branch, and we can go through print. There will be so all the details. We can also keep here medicine quantity report. We can find here medicine quantity report. Now we comes to billing part. There is commission print setting. We can change your print expenses. Like with this software, we can manage our expenses through the software. Like we are paying for phone, electricity, internet bill, or anything. Then we can manage through our software. We need to put select here for which category we are paying. Like we are paying for water bill, how much we are paying, and what is the payment mode. Then submit. There is option for remarks. We want to write anything in here, we can write here. Then there is option for expense print setting. Vendor payment, we can see here total vendor payment detail, like vendor name, code, balance, remaining amount, and we want to pay to vendor, then we can directly pay for here from here, how much we are paying, and what is the payment mode. After that we have option for employee salary. We can give basic information about our employee. Like we will select employee type, like account, admin, doctor, or reception, salary. So this is for basic information purpose. Then we have option for doctor commission. We can see here total commission of doctor, total commission of our hospital. Then there will be so total commission, paid amount, and balance. If you want to see any for any particular doctor or any particular hospital, Then we will select and this is the total commission, paid amount and balance. We can see here the total commission details like patient US ID, patient name, booking date, in which department for OPD medicine, and how much is commission. We can also print this page. We can also directly pay the commission from here. We need to select how much we are paying, paid amount, then submit. Then we have option for hospital commission. We can see the hospital commission with same process. Balance clearance. We can see here total balance remaining amount of our hospital for OPD remaining, OPD balance payment, medicine billing. If any patient are paying the same payment, then we can clear the balance amount from here. Pay now, how much patient is giving, then submit. After that we have option for banking. So we can manage banking, like we are submitting any collection in any account, like in we will create the bank account details, in which bank we are submitting and how much we are submitting. Then we can keep our records, how much we are submitting in which bank. Then we have option for payment refund. For any reason we want to refund any amount to any patient, then we can refund from here. We have already list of patients, how much patient has paid and with date details and how much we are refunding. There is option for refund now, how much we are refunding, and refund date, save. There will be refund list. Now it comes to reporting part. There is option for medicine report. So there are option for medicine GST report. We can find here GST report. We can find from any date to any date. We need to select a date, and there will be total details, amount, taxable amount, SGST, CGST, and we can also download the this data in Excel PDF format. Now there is another option, GST2 report, GST report with quantity. We can also find here total GST with quantity, how much is there, like 20 tablets or 1 or 4. Then there is another option in medicine collection, means medicine report, medicine wise report. We can find here medicine wise report. We can see here we have already given medicine consolidated report. We have given an option for medicine profit and loss for separate pharmacy store. Like we want to see here total collection, total expense, or total profit and loss of our pharmacy store. Then we can see here medicine, batch number, quantity, sales amount, sales the return amount, purchase amount, and what is the profit and loss. And there will be total collection. Then there is option for medicine collection report. We can see a total collection of our medicine, sales medicine. We need to select a date, for which date to which date we want to see here. There will be total collection, net amount, discount, paid amount, and balance. We can also download this data in CSV, Excel, or any format. Now there is option for OPD collection report. We can see here total collection for OPD. There is also showing all the details like total collection, discount, paid amount, and balance. There is some advanced search option. Like this is complete collection, but we want to find through any user or through any consultant wise. Like there are 4 or 5 consultant in our hospital, we want to see for anyone, then we need to click doctor name, or for visits with visit to visit we can see here. In the same way, billing collection report, there is a collection report, so we can see here on same time total our hospital collection for all department. Like I'm searching for 1 week or 1 month, so there will be all the our collection report on a single time. There will be total OPD collection report with patient detail, total cash, card, check. There will be billing, pharmacy, so there will be total hospital collection, and here we can see the grand total collection for 2 day or 1 month or any day to any date. There are some report setting. So we have already given the advanced fields, but we want also like doctor name and collection report, referred by and collection report. So we need to check or uncheck these fields, then save. After that, there is expense report. We can find the expense report, inquiry source from how patient is coming to a hospital, banking reports, next appointment reports. We can find here referral reports. Now we comes to utilities. Any utilities, there are option for email or SMS. Like patient, doctor can get the notification for OPD booking, appointment booking, payment, or admission, or sales medicines, or sales returns. So there are many things. We have already done some templates. Like we want doctor payment, balance clearance for OPD, for OPD booking, for billing. We have already done the templates, like patient name and all things for next appointment reminder. So patient and doctors can get the notification through this software. Then there is option for birthday anniversary. This is also for notification, like patient, doctor, employee can get the anniversary or birthday wishes through software notification. There are setting like we want intimate, auto notification or not. Expense category we can add here, like water, tea, internet bill. So we can add here field master. There are some field masters, like employee type we can add here specialization, relation, summarization. Mandatory fields, like we want contact number, doctor contact number at the time of booking, mandatory, patient number is mandatory at the time, so we can manage here. Insurance panel, we are giving the company name and type, standard company name and types of insurance types we are giving already. If anyone is not available, then we can add from here, like company name and panel code. Certificates, with this software we can generate this certificate, like fitness, medical, birth certificate. We have also done some templates. We can also create the templates for fitness, medical, birth certificate. This is basically a WordPad editor, like WordPad editor. So we can create here templates, or we can generate the certificates. Then there is option for employee. We can add here employee details. Users, we will create here all the users, those who will use the software. Like we will create here user type employee, like admin accounts, employee type, username, password. We will create here password and confirm password. Then we will give the permission to all the users what they will use in software or not. Like we want give permission to users, like users can access the software, but they can't edit or modify anything in software. Then we can keep here, we can change here, we can give all the permission by one for a single page. Then we have option for patient source, how patient is coming to our hospital, we can add here. Bank name, bank account we can add here. Payment mode, how we are taking payment, like card, cash, TPA, we can add here our payment mode. Barcode, we are generating a barcode in OPD or also in pharmacy. We can change here like 2, 3, 4 barcode required, barcode type, horizontal, vertical, size. There is option for menu manager. This is the very advanced features of this software, and there are showing all the fields of the software for pharmacy store, for OPD, for prescription format. Purpose of this features, like I want to rename with other patient with other name, then I can change with any name, and we can change the sorted, like I want to see doctor name first, then patient name is second, then we can change. And this we just use mostly use for prescription, and like there is all prescription format, previous history, chip complaints, examinations. Like I want replace with other name, previous history we replace with other name, then we can put like past history. I can change the sorter. So this is the purpose of this features, and this is the very advanced features of a software. Then we have some settings, company setting defaults as like event data for same day or for all records and same time. Then config setting MLC, we are generating a MLC number, like any accidental patient is coming to our hospital, then we can generate a MLC number for this patient. OPD default doctors, we can change the password of this software. Unique IDs, like all these current ID are generating through SARA 001, SARA 00, SARA 001. Like I want a unique ID with our hospital name, like ABC and start from 01. Then we can change here. So this is the unique ID setting, and this is the our OPD and pharmacy software. Thank you.